Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies really easy. Let's start by gathering your essential ingredients. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure your butter is softened and your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them combine beautifully. A good vanilla extract truly elevates the taste. Accurate measurements are key for consistent, delicious results every time. Now let's get to mixing. Begin by creaming your softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Add your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully combined before adding the next. Gently mix in your dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and we want them perfectly soft. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Drop your cookie dough onto the prepared sheets, leaving enough space between each. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden. Let them cool on the sheet for a couple of minutes before transferring to a wire rack. For even better results, try chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. This helps prevent spreading. Using a cookie scoop ensures all your cookies are a uniform size, leading to even baking. Once cooled, store your delicious creations in an airtight container to keep them fresh. Don't be afraid to get creative with mix-ins like chocolate chips or nuts. Enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.